A surveyor wants to find the distance across a pond. The bearing from point A to point B across the pond is north 32 degrees west. Let's go ahead and draw quickly here. I've got a pond, and it doesn't really matter how we draw it. But we've got this point A, okay? And from the point A across the pond to another point B, we'll put that right there, point B. The bearing is given. So that's from the north-south, okay? From north, we're going 32 degrees west. So this right here is 32 degrees. Then the surveyor walks 50 meters east from point A to point C. So 50 meters east to some point C here, and takes another measurement. The bearing from point C to point B is now again, oh, that's not what I wanted. Again, from the north south, it's north 68 degrees west. And we'd like to find that distance across the pond from point A to point B. So the angle A, we can get because we know that this is a right angle, okay, from due north to east, that's a right angle. So that's 90. So 90 plus the 32 degree in the bearings. And that is 122 degrees. And then we can find the angle C because we know that that's a right angle, and we know that part of it's the 68. So angle C, we're going to get 90 minus the 68 degrees, and that's 22 degrees. So now we've got these two angles, and we've got this side 50, which is side length B. We can get angle B by doing 180 minus those two. So B equals 180 minus 122 minus 22. And that's, 36 degrees if I'm not mistaken. And now we have all of our angles, and this side between those two angles, we want to find the side length C, opposite that angle C. So we can use the law of sines. B, 50, over the sine of B, 36 degrees, is equal to C over the sine of the angle C, which is 22 degrees. So solving for C, we just multiply by sine of 22 degrees. So 50 times the sine of 22 degrees over the sine of 36 degrees is equal to C. And then we can just plug this into our calculator. So we have 50 sine of 22, I am in degree mode here, divided by now I've got all messed up here. Divided by sine of 36. And we get about 31.9. 31.9. And that's that length C, which is the distance across the pond from point A to point B. And that's, of course, going to be in meters because that's how our distance has been measured. Meters.